Today, we are diving deep into one of Apple's most exciting budget-friendly releases yet, the all-new 11th generation iPad. With an attractive price tag of just $349, Apple has made significant improvements that cater to students, casual users, and anyone looking for a powerful yet affordable tablet. But is this truly the best budget iPad ever? Or are there compromises that could make you think twice before upgrading? Let's explore everything you need to know about this latest release, from its pricing strategy to its real-world performance. Apple finally gets pricing right. One of the most frustrating things about Apple's iPad lineup has been its pricing inconsistencies. The 10th generation iPad launched at $400, which felt like an unnecessary price hike over the much-loved 9th gen model priced at $329. Apple seems to have taken user feedback seriously this time by setting the starting price at $349, making it more attractive for budget-conscious buyers. This move allows Apple to compete more aggressively in the entry-level tablet space while maintaining its reputation for quality and reliability. Unlike some budget Android tablets that cut corners on build quality, software updates, and performance, the 11th gen iPad delivers a premium experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for a tablet for school, entertainment, or light productivity, this pricing strategy makes the iPad a compelling choice. Unboxing. What's inside the box? Apple sticks to its signature minimalistic packaging. When you unbox the 11th gen iPad, you'll find the iPad itself, available in blue, silver, and pink, a 20W USB-C power adapter, a braided USB-C charging cable, standard documentation, but no Apple stickers this time. While Apple has maintained a clean and simple packaging design, they could have optimized the box size even further. However, let's be real. Nobody is buying an iPad just for the box. Design, familiar yet functional. If you put the 11th gen iPad next to the previous model, you'd have a hard time telling them apart. Apple has kept the same 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, aluminum body, and flat-edge design. While some users might have hoped for thinner bezels or a Pro-style redesign, the existing build remains solid, lightweight, and premium. Apple has also streamlined its color choices, removing the yellow variant, which had a mixed reception. The blue version looks sleek, and the pink option adds a bit of personality. Overall, the design remains modern, simple, and effective. Performance, a sneaky yet crucial upgrade. Apple isn't always vocal about internal hardware upgrades, but this time, the changes under the hood are quite meaningful. The new A16 Bionic chip replaces the A14 from previous models, offering a noticeable boost in speed and efficiency. But the real game changer is the increase in RAM from 4 GB to 6 GB. Why does this matter? iPadOS is becoming more resource-intensive, and additional RAM allows apps to stay open longer, reducing reload times. Whether you're multitasking, browsing, taking video calls, or doing light content creation, the improved specs make the experience much smoother. While it's not an M-series chip, the A16 Bionic is more than capable of handling everyday tasks effortlessly. Storage, a long-awaited fix. One of the biggest complaints about Apple's entry-level iPads has been their insufficient base storage. Thankfully, Apple has finally addressed this issue by upgrading the starting storage option from 64 GB to 128 GB. This is a game-changer for students, professionals, and media consumers alike. Having 128 GB of storage means more room for apps, downloads, and files, less reliance on cloud storage, better long-term usability without constant storage management. This move ensures that users can store their essentials without worrying about running out of space too soon. Apple Intelligence, what you're missing. Apple has been making headlines with its Apple Intelligence AI-powered features, but here's the catch. The 11th gen iPad does not support them. Despite having a powerful chip, it falls short of the hardware requirements needed to run Apple's latest AI-driven tools. However, in real-world usage, this may not be a huge drawback. Features like text summarization and email suggestions are still in their early stages. For most users, the lack of AI-powered tools won't significantly impact their experience. Instead, you get a rock-solid version of iPadOS that runs smoothly and efficiently. Gaming, can it keep up? Gaming on the 11th gen iPad is surprisingly good. The A16 Bionic chip delivers solid performance for demanding games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile. While you might need to adjust settings for ultra-smooth gameplay, most titles run at 45 to 60 FPS without major stuttering. However, if gaming is your top priority, you might want to consider stepping up to the iPad Air with an M2 chip for better long-term performance. Display: is 60 Hz still good enough? One of the biggest trade-offs with this budget iPad is the lack of a 120 Hz promotion display. Instead, Apple sticks with a 60 Hz refresh rate, which might be a deal-breaker for power users. However, for everyday tasks like watching YouTube, Netflix, browsing, and productivity, the 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display remains vibrant, sharp, and perfectly usable. While higher refresh rates provide smoother animations, casual users likely won't notice a huge difference. Battery life: Apple's reliability shines. Battery life remains as solid as ever. Apple claims up to 10 hours of usage, and in our testing, it holds up well. Whether you're streaming, browsing, or working on documents, the 11th Gen iPad gets you through the day without any problems. Of course, intensive gaming or video editing will drain the battery faster, but overall, Apple continues to deliver impressive battery performance. Who should buy the 11th Gen iPad? This iPad is perfect for students, great for note-taking, research, and entertainment. Casual users, ideal for browsing, video calls, and media consumption. Parents and kids, affordable, durable, and easy to use. Budget-conscious buyers, the best Apple experience at a lower price. However, if you need promotion, Apple Pencil hover support, or a stronger gaming machine, you might want to check out the iPad Air or iPad Pro models. Final verdict: the best budget iPad yet? Apple has finally found the right balance between price and performance. While the 11th Gen iPad isn't a revolutionary upgrade, it fixes many previous shortcomings. The increased storage, RAM boost, and price correction make this the best entry-level iPad Apple has ever released. If you own an older iPad and need an affordable upgrade, this is an easy recommendation. While it's not perfect, it gets so many things right that it's hard to complain. Do you agree with our take? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for more updates on the latest tech trends.